Traders, hello. Now this video is just sort of a weekly wrap up, conclusion of the markets and how things panned out for me. I didn't actually take a trade. The USD yen closed out. I thought it closed out last week. Yeah, the 6th of October. Okay, so it did. And I did try a pending order on the Kiwi that didn't pan out, and that was done on Wednesday, the 10th, maybe Thursday, Tuesday, and it was actually going for a sell trade here, just below that low, and it retraced, and now it's an interesting little situation we find the US dollar to be in. Go to the euro, quite choppy. Aussie dollar. Aussie's not a major, but it's always something a little bit interesting that I like to monitor. Wow, headed upwards it appears. A lot of resistance to contend with though, but yeah. And the pound. I'll little looky look at the pound as well. See what that's doing. It's a little frustrating, this week there are a few setups that were potentials, but this is a good teaching point about trading, and especially with high time frame stuff like I'm doing with the currencies. You're just going to have to be very aware that patience is the most important thing, and not trading isn't necessarily a bad thing. Keeping your money there ready to go is better than having it just doing nothing in a trade. Okay. Alright, it seems that there's a few reversals taking place to pound. That's pretty interesting, but now it's, there's a little bit of strength there. And the USD yen, let's see what that, and maybe the CAD as well. Okay, so a little bit parabolic. That was previously my stop loss for this trade here. It's actually a winning trade in the end that I closed out early. And on review, it wasn't really a bad exit, but it wasn't a 1R, so that's why I didn't rate it very well. That trade was only 6 out of 10. 4 for entry, but 2 for exit. In reality, I really should have not interfered with it. And the CAD. Just keep this short and sweet, USD CAD. Look, for my system, being a trend trading type system, not really interesting. And something Connor and I covered in our weekly trade talk video is the Japanese 225 against the US dollar. And it's a pretty sweet little upward trend. It's a little bit different obviously because it's a currency pair, more of a futures type, account you trade on, but it's it is upward trending, but to me I haven't really back tested on it, so I don't know what to expect. It looks to be, see the weekly is at all time, it's so at critical level too, monthly. See where it's, so go back to like 2003, all time highs over 14 years. So pretty significant rally. I would like it to sort of come back and retest before I was to say, tradable, but it's certainly interesting. Nothing else really to report. I'll finish on the Kiwi. But when things are doing like this, you've got to wait for it to really confirm that it's a change in the trend before taking a trade. So guys, no trades this week. New Zealand was a near trade, but was closed out because it didn't trigger in the next candle. So this led me to close the trade out, or the pending order. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.